In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim videos in Canva. Trimming is a quick way to remove extra moments at the beginning or end of a clip so your video starts strong and ends clean. It doesn't change the content inside the clip, it simply chooses the portion you want to keep. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design loads, click to select the video you want to trim. You'll know it's selected when you see the video outlined and ready for editing. At the top of the screen, look for the editing toolbar and click the trim button. This opens the trimming view, where you can precisely control what part of the clip stays in your project. You'll see two handles at the edges of the video timeline, one on the left and one on the right. The left handle controls where the video begins, and the right handle controls where it ends. Click and drag the left handle to cut away any unwanted lead-in, like silence or setup time. Then drag the right handle to remove extra footage at the end, such as long pauses or after-action moments. As you move these edges, you're defining the exact in and out points of your clip. If you want to keep the overall length the same but shift which portion of the video is shown, click and drag from the center area instead of the edges. This lets you slide the selected range forward or backward within the original clip without changing its duration. It's a handy way to fine-tune timing while preserving the overall length you've chosen. Take a moment to align the start where the action or speech feels natural and the end where the moment finishes cleanly. Small adjustments to the edges can make a big difference in how polished the final video feels. If your trim feels too tight, simply pull an edge back out to reveal more of the original clip. If it feels too loose, nudge the edge in a bit further until it lands just right. When you're happy with your selection, click Done. Your trimmed video will update in the design, ready for the rest of your edits or for sharing. Remember, trimming focuses your story and keeps viewers engaged by getting straight to the best part. That's all there is to it. Select your video, click Trim, adjust the left and right edges or drag from the center, and then click Done. With these simple adjustments, your videos in Canva will look sharper, cleaner, and more professional.